Okay, as you like.
Assalamu alaikum everybody, I am Saad Sulaiman. Today inshallah we're going to talk about an important topic, which is about a dangerous disease, which is diabetes. The sequence of my presentation will be as the following. First, I'm going to introduce diabetes, treatment detection, and then I will show the prevalence of diabetes. After that, I will show the possible effects of diabetes. Then, what are the two main ways to avoid diabetes? After that, we will have a conclusion. Well, to start with, what is diabetes? According to the World Health Organization, diabetes is a chronic disease, which means permanent disease, which occurs when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, or the body simply cannot utilize the insulin that the pancreas produces. In fact, diabetes can be a deadly disease if left without an adequate medical attention. With that adequate medical attention, we can reduce the dangerous effects of diabetes considerably, as if there is no diabetes. So the question now, what is happening with the blood? Well, first, stomach converts food into glucose. Then glucose enters the bloodstream. After that, the pancreas starts its job by producing insulin, which is unfortunately not enough or not effective to deal with the glucose. Therefore, the glucose will be unable to leave the bloodstream. Consequently, glucose levels will increase. This figure shown here shows the prevalence of diabetes. And unfortunately, Saudi Arabia has the highest percentage of diabetes among the countries in the world. Now let us talk about the effects, the possible effects of diabetes. Well, since the blood having the sugar, high level of sugar, is circulating through all the body parts will be damaged, including stroke, as you can see, heart, eyes, lungs, kidneys, and so on. So the question now, what are the two main ways to avoid diabetes? How to avoid diabetes? The first main way to avoid diabetes is to get into a diet. What is diet? Diet simply is eating food with less carbohydrates and less fats. In other words, less calories. Because these are the leading causes of diabetes. The second main way to avoid diabetes is to do regular exercises. Regular exercises are simply physical activities in which we burn the fats and the calories in order to reduce the level of the sugar in the blood. So to conclude, we've talked about what is diabetes, its definition and its prevalence throughout the whole world, and we've seen, unfortunately, Saudi Arabia has the highest percentage of diabetes, and we've listed the possible effects of diabetes, and we've answered the question, how to avoid diabetes? What are the two main ways to avoid diabetes? Well, I believe that it's important to warn the society about the dangerous effects of diabetes in order to have a great future for us as well as for our children. That's all that I have today. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed.
Okay, thank you.